This should be very close to the 91 freeway, but this is an access road. Oh, there we go. Going a little too fast. Vehicle just spun out a little bit. Nobody was there, but it just kind of shows how crazy this guy is driving. No law enforcement officers are there to take this guy into to block his vehicle in. That's one of the things about stating where this vehicle is going. You just saw. Get a little closer, Pollard. He may be going on the 105. Stand by. Stand by. He's going on the 105. Okay, it's going to be another tricky. Where is he? Now I'm going to lose him. There he is. He's going 105 west, Pollard, so stay north. 105 west. Don't go east. Don't go east, Pollard. Don't go east. We are. Yeah. Pollard, let's go ahead and go on the other side. Let's go ahead and do a transition. You want to do that? It's not going to be a it's not going to be a show like that. We should Yeah, look at that tire, Caroline. That front tire, it's gone, and they were right. That successful pit maneuver eventually deflated that front left tire. They also think that maybe the left... They're going about 57 miles per hour, a little faster than what they normally do for pit maneuvers, so maybe that's why he backed off a little. There we go. Pit him. You're good right here.